Enkutezi zikaba zirezo kutandikwa kukorwa mu kwezi kwa gatanu mwaka ogu konka nikwe kucerererwa ahabwa keshereko ka COVID kandi no kushanga ngu kanse kabeta katungire consultant.
We are ready to cooperate as leaders. So long as mwatkorra ekimushirwana mutwara.
I want us to guide each other, work for this government, work for the people of Uganda, and also cooperate to others.
So we are pledging that we are going to do this job as per the expectation of the employer.
Yashaba abakiri gukora business aharubaju rw'umuhanda okurugaho bukirikare.
Tenga enyamisha rero echeza kwikaho kagiro to mutugurinkanye. We nabashaba nabeha nangeza kare kandi kigandere.
Bwanyuma yo gukora enkutezi mbarasite neja kuba yasiya kilomita 406 za korasi.
Ono yanko mukazoro kumutwara nkayirwaro bamutera kina yatubanzo yemera bamara kurukora araba entunguka omucucu turaba twagwana buri zatube turajya nka kilo yo mucucu tuzakushemererwa munonga ahubwo babe no funa customer ukimujoti tugende bitabwana nayo turagura bintagira ta
Ahabwa TV West and Adolf Firek.